Have you ever had the courage to search for the treasure of your dreams? This is the story of a simple shepherd who followed his dreams and made the whole universe stand in his way. It teaches you that when you listen to your heart, the entire universe begins to help you. Welcome to the Book Brief. Here, we explore life-changing books, powerful ideas, and stories that inspire you to grow, achieve your dreams, and live your best life. If you're ready to transform your mindset and take action, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the legendary book, The Alchemist, by Brazilian author Paulo Coelho. Published in 1988, this global bestseller has inspired millions of readers to follow their dreams, trust their hearts, and discover the treasure within themselves. It's more than just a story, it's a guide to understanding life, destiny, and the magic of pursuing your personal legend. Santiago is a young shepherd from Andalusia, who spends his days roaming the green fields with his flock. Every night, he gazes at the stars, thinking about his dreams. One night, he has a mysterious dream. A hidden treasure is waiting for him near the Egyptian pyramids. This dream ignites a fire in Santiago's heart. His soul whispers, "This dream is real, and it's your purpose to pursue it." Santiago sells his flock and sets off on a quest to find the treasure. Along the way, he encounters new lands, people, and experiences. From the very first step, he realizes that the path to your dreams is never easy. Fear, uncertainty, and loneliness follow you everywhere. But he learns that courage is the most essential companion when pursuing your dreams. During his journey, Santiago meets remarkable people who teach him life's deepest lessons: a king, a merchant, and a mysterious alchemist. Each encounter brings him closer to his dreams. Discover how these meetings completely transform Santiago's life. 1. Melchizedek, the King of Salem. Melchizedek teaches Santiago that every person has a personal legend, their true purpose. Those who ignore it live an incomplete life. This first lesson gives him faith and direction. 2. The Crystal Merchant. Santiago works in a crystal shop and learns the power of patience, hard work, and small steps. Sometimes, small consistent actions lead to the greatest rewards. 3. The Englishman. The Englishman teaches Santiago that the universe is always sending signs, and we must learn to recognize them. This lesson becomes a guiding light throughout his journey. 4. The Alchemist. The alchemist explains to Santiago that the real treasure isn't gold, it lies in self-knowledge and listening to the heart. He tells him, when you listen to your heart, the entire universe stands with you. Santiago meets and falls in love with Fatima. Fatima teaches him that true love never obstructs your dreams, it strengthens them. Her love gives him courage and faith, motivating him to continue the quest for his treasure. Finally, Santiago reaches the Egyptian pyramids. But he realizes that the real treasure is the wisdom, courage, patience, and self-discovery he gained along the way. 6 lessons from Santiago's journey. 1. The personal legend, following your true purpose. At the heart of The Alchemist is the idea of a personal legend, your true purpose in life. Santiago's journey symbolizes every person's quest for meaning. Paulo Coelho teaches that life is richest when you pursue your dreams, even if it means stepping into the unknown. The obstacles Santiago faces, thieves, desert challenges, and uncertainty, represent the fears and doubts we all encounter when trying to follow our true path. Life lesson. Your personal legend is your soul's calling. Ignoring it may bring comfort, but pursuing it brings fulfillment and growth. 2. Listening to the heart, trusting intuition. Santiago learns that the heart speaks a language of signs, often subtle and mystical. The novel emphasizes that intuition is our connection with the universe, and we must learn to recognize and trust it. Fear often masks these messages, but courage is necessary to interpret and act on them. Life lesson. Your heart is a guide. Pay attention to feelings of longing, inspiration, or discomfort. They are signals pointing toward your path. 3. The universe conspires, signs and synchronicity. Repeatedly, the book reminds us that the universe supports those who are brave enough to pursue their dreams. The concept isn't magical in a literal sense, it's about opportunities, guidance, and coincidences aligning when you are committed and persistent. Santiago's encounters, like the crystal merchant, the Englishman, and the alchemist, show that people and experiences appear to teach exactly what you need. Life lesson: take action, and the universe will respond. Opportunity and guidance emerge when you remain focused and open. 4. Transformation through the journey, the real treasure. Santiago's physical quest for gold mirrors the inner transformation that happens when pursuing your dreams. By the end, he realizes that the real treasure was the wisdom, courage, and self-discovery gained along the journey. This teaches that life's value lies not only in external success but also in personal growth. Life lesson: the path is as valuable as the destination. Every challenge, relationship, and moment shapes who you become. 5. Love as part of the journey. Santiago's love for Fatima demonstrates that true love does not obstruct your path but supports it. The novel conveys that love, when aligned with your personal legend, enhances your journey rather than derails it. Life lesson: real love encourages growth and aligns with your purpose. Fear-driven attachments hold you back, but love rooted in understanding propels you forward. 6. Courage, risk, and faith. The story shows that faith and courage are inseparable from the pursuit of dreams. Taking risks, leaving the familiar behind, facing danger, or trusting the unknown, is essential for transformation. Santiago's willingness to cross deserts, endure uncertainty, and face danger symbolizes the bravery required in real life. Life lesson: fear is part of growth. Courage is acting despite fear and trusting the process. The Alchemist is not just a story about treasure, it's a manual for living fully, trusting deeply, and pursuing dreams relentlessly. It tells us that dreams are meaningful and worth the struggle. Inner wisdom and intuition are powerful guides. Life's journey itself is the treasure. Courage, patience, and love are key companions on the path. When you follow your heart, the entire universe conspires to help you, and the real gold is the growth and wisdom you gain along the way. If Santiago's journey inspired you, don't wait any longer to follow your own dreams. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more life-changing stories, and share this video with someone who needs a little push to start their own adventure. Your treasure is waiting, go find it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like and subscribe.